Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable affiliate disclosure compliance in the USA detailed guide step by step clearly. To ensure compliance with affiliate disclosure regulations in the USA, start by understanding the federal. Familiarize yourself with the concept of affiliate marketing and the obligation to disclose relationships with advertisers. Identify the platforms where you will share affiliate links, such as social media, blogs, or YouTube. Review the specific requirements outlined by the FTC, which include clear and conspicuous disclosures. Make sure your disclosure is easily noticeable and placed near the affiliate link or content. Use clear language that indicates you will receive compensation if users purchase through your link. Avoid jargon or ambiguous terms that may confuse your audience. Consider including disclosures in multiple formats, including verbal disclosures in videos and written disclaimers in descriptions or blog posts. Ensure the disclosure is integrated naturally into your content without being disruptive. Test the visibility of your disclosures with sample audience members to gauge understanding. Keep track of your affiliate relationships and update disclosures as necessary if your partnerships change. Regularly review your disclosures to ensure they remain compliant with evolving FTC guidelines. Educate yourself about any state-specific laws regarding affiliate disclosures. In case of doubt, consult with a legal professional who specializes in marketing and advertising law. Stay transparent with your audience to build trust and integrity in your affiliate marketing efforts. By following these steps, you will create a compliant affiliate disclosure strategy that protects you and informs your audience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.